What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to a new video here today. And today it's going to be a part 2 because we're doing a follow-up on the lights that I did on my car. So if you remember previously, I put some really nice new lights on my car which made it look absolutely mint, or at least I think so. I think it looks really nice. But as you saw, the front headlights on my car, those covers, they looked terrible. And I've tried cleaning them, hasn't really worked. So I decided I would fix it a different way. Now thankfully, at least with my car, I'm able to actually clip off those front guards, the protector guards that cover your light, the light covers. I'm able to clip them off and put new ones on. So what I ordered on eBay was some new light covers. This just here. Let me get this out. Oh, actually, love me some bubble wrap. Let's get some good. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's great. Oh, I love bubble wrap. I'm keeping that forever because they are just so awesome. But here is upside down. But here is the new light covers. Yeah, looks kind of weird because it's actually got all that's all cling wrap. That's what it's called. So that's got all cling wrap in the front of it to keep it nice and protected and cool. But yeah, I'm actually able to just literally like clip these onto my front light. So I can pop them on and have nice new fresh light covers that look way nicer than the crappy, disgusting looking old ones. So that's my plan for today. But getting these here took so goddamn long. And it was for a really stupid reason actually, because I bought them the day that I made the video and put the lights in and got the lights off. I basically ordered these straight away. And what happened was they actually got lost in the post office somehow. I still don't get how that happens, but yeah, they were lost in the post office. And so I sent a message to the guy on eBay that I bought them from, like, hey, I really need these like super quick because I want to do a car show and stuff like that, which was a little bit of a fib, but I just wanted them sooner because they were lost in shipping and I've been waiting already like a week and a half, 2 weeks, and I'm like, this sucks. Anywho, long story short, he managed to get them sent again, but it still took like 3 weeks after the whole, hey, guess what? They've been lost in transit and they were meant to arrive yesterday, but they got lost in the post office. So sucks to be you, guy. I'll send them out again. And it took, yeah, another 2 weeks after that. So it's been like 4 or 5 weeks in the making of trying to actually get these here. But now that they are, we're gonna put them on the car and see how they look. I think it's gonna make the car look that touch more nicer. Like it's just gonna be like classier and look better in general. Instead of having those sucky, ughy, like they're not broken. They just look bad. They just really look bad. They're just old and foggy and crap. So, without any further ado, let's go put these on the car and see how they look. All right, let's go. Alrighty. So, as you can kind of see, I've got my lights just there. So the lights there, they're really cloudy. They look terrible and disgusting. So, we got the new lights. We're gonna replace them. Put it over there. Yeah. So we're gonna replace it and hopefully it's gonna make things look a million times better. So, yeah. Let me start the process of setting on these lights, putting on these lights. So, let me show you really quick what I mean by the clips on the lights. So, if you can see just there, these little clip things here, they literally pop off, so, like that. And then you can essentially take out this stuff here and then unclip the whole head unit off. So then the light comes out, and then yeah, you can take the light out and there you go, you're good to go. And that's how you get a nicer looking car. Well, that's how you replace at least the headlight covers. So I'm gonna start replacing those right now. So that's that little outer cage stuff off. So now I can pop the light off. That is meant to be staying there, but you know, obviously broke off, so oopsie. For some reason that was a lot harder to get off, don't know why, but it's finally popped off now. Whew. Nice and easy. So, it actually looks like I'm probably gonna have to take out my tail lights, my indicators as well in order to get these out, so I'm gonna have to go get the thing to take that out. Also, my car is real dirty. Yeah. Okay, so I got the tool that I need to get my blinkers out. So I'm gonna get the blinker out and then the light should literally just pop off from there. So let's, fingers crossed this works. One blinker out. And there you have it. So, that is the old light cover just there. Old and manky, icky. Now to replace it with the new one. Let's go. Everything's basically back on. So now to do the peel. Now that definitely makes the car look a whole lot nicer, like way nicer. It's really hot today. Well, it's actually cool, but I don't know, I'm sweating, that's rare. But how nice does that look? That looks way nicer. Now it's just time to do the other light and then we're good and then we can look at some really nice shots of the lights. So let's get that last light done. And that is how you change the headlight covers on your BMW E46. Now, let's take a look at some cool shots because I think these lights, or I think these new light covers make the car look far better than what it did previously. Because I didn't realize, but these really made the car look ugly. So it looks so much nicer now. So let's take a closer look. Alrighty guys, thank you for watching today's video where I changed the headlight covers on my car, made them look a whole lot nicer and really transformed the look of the car. Even though it's something slight, it looks so much better. I'm absolutely in love with it and it was a cheap thing to do and I should have done it way sooner. But oh my god, I love it. Now it matches the rest of the lights, so I have all new lights on the car so it looks mint. So yeah, please remember to hit the like button on this video if you liked the video. Leave a comment down below if there's things that you liked or you wanted me to change or do differently. Or maybe if you have any suggestions as well, or things you'd like to see done to the car, I'm more than happy to take some suggestions and possibly implement them, depends on how cool they are. And as I said before, I do have tons of plans for this channel and this car as well. One of the biggest ones, let's just say, is a body modification, let's just say, which I can't wait to do, and hopefully will be the next thing that I do with my car when I get enough money to do it all, because there's going to be some big expenses when I do it. Other than that as well, I've got a few performance increasing modifications as well that I'd love to do, but I can't yet because I'm not on my open license. I'm still on my Ps, so I can't have the car going too fast. Otherwise I'll get in lots of trouble by the police, which I don't plan to. So yeah, please remember to hit subscribe as well. Click that little notification bell down the bottom if you haven't already to get notified when we upload, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.